China is rewriting the future, not just for itself, but for all of humanity, by setting in motion a vision that stretches far beyond our planet. In the coming years, China is determined to redefine what's possible, not only in terms of technology, but in the very way we think about our place in the cosmos. At the heart of this vision is the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, which has captivated human imagination for centuries. Now, China is setting its sights on the moon with a clarity and ambition that signals a new era in space exploration. By 2035, China aims to become a leading space power with a permanent lunar presence, not just a fleeting visit. This means establishing a base that will allow astronauts to live and work on the moon for extended periods, conducting research and laying the groundwork for future missions even deeper into space. This is about more than national pride. It's about building a sustainable future for humanity beyond Earth. The plan is ambitious. Advanced rockets will carry not just people, but fleets of robotic explorers and tons of equipment. These machines will help construct habitats, laboratories, and life support systems, all designed to withstand the harsh lunar environment. All of these elements must work in concert, like a symphony of technology and human ingenuity, to create a thriving outpost on the moon's surface. China's vision is to move past short-term missions and create real infrastructure, power, shelter, and the ability to live off the land. Solar panels will generate energy, greenhouses will grow food, and new technologies will extract water and oxygen from lunar soil, making long-term survival possible. The ultimate goal is a self-sustaining lunar base that serves as a launch pad for deeper space exploration. From here, humanity could one day reach Mars and beyond, using the moon as a stepping stone to the rest of the solar system. This is a bold leap, not just following in Apollo's footsteps, but forging a new path for the next generation. China's efforts are inspiring a new wave of scientists, engineers, and dreamers, all eager to be part of this unfolding story. China's journey is inspiring millions and shifting the global balance of power into space. The world is watching as China's achievements spark curiosity, competition, and collaboration on a global scale. As this vision unfolds, we're witnessing the dawn of a new space age, one where the moon is a destination, not a limit. The boundaries of exploration are being pushed further than ever before, and the possibilities seem endless. The message is clear: our future is as boundless as the universe itself. With each step on the moon, China is helping to open the door to a new chapter in human history, one where the stars are within our reach. At the heart of China's lunar ambitions is the International Lunar Research Station, or ILRS, a permanent sprawling base on the moon. Envisioned as a scientific metropolis, the ILRS will be the hub for research, resource extraction, and future missions to Mars. Built in phases, it starts with robotic scouts and ends with a self-sustaining ecosystem for long-term human habitation. The ILRS is a direct competitor to other nations' lunar plans, positioning China as a leader in the new era of space settlement. Developed with Russia and open to global partners, the ILRS is more than a base. It's a new international coalition for space. Its completion by 2035 would mark humanity's first true outpost on another world. China's ambitious plans for a lunar city are focused on the moon's south pole, an area that has become the most sought-after location on the entire lunar surface. This isn't just a random choice, it's a strategic move that could define the future of space exploration and settlement. So, why is the South Pole so special? The answer lies in its hidden treasure: water ice. Deep within the permanently shadowed craters, scientists believe there are vast reserves of ice, preserved for billions of years. This resource is absolutely vital, not only for drinking water but also for growing food, supporting life, and even creating rocket fuel through electrolysis. But that's not all. The South Pole's unique geography means that some crater rims are bathed in near constant sunlight. This is a rare phenomenon on the moon, where most areas experience long, harsh nights. These sunlit peaks are perfect for generating solar power, providing a steady energy source for future lunar habitats. This remarkable combination, abundant ice in the shadows and reliable sunlight on the heights, creates the ideal conditions for a self-sustaining lunar base. It's a rare synergy that could make long-term human presence on the moon possible. A settlement here could extract water, produce oxygen for breathing, and manufacture fuel for rockets, dramatically reducing the need for costly resupply missions from Earth. This would make lunar operations far more affordable and sustainable. Gaining control over these resources isn't just about survival. It's a major strategic advantage in the new space race. Whoever leads here will have a head start in lunar industry, science, and exploration. By targeting the South Pole, China is positioning itself to secure the essential ingredients for a permanent, thriving lunar economy, one that could support not just exploration, but also commerce and even tourism in the future. The nation that masters this extraordinary region will not only shape the next era of moon exploration, but could also set the stage for humanity's expansion deeper into the solar system. Surviving the moon's 2-week-long nights demands far more than just solar panels and batteries. During this extended period of darkness, temperatures plummet to hundreds of degrees below zero, and the lunar surface becomes a frozen, lifeless expanse. Solar energy simply isn't enough to keep a base running through these harsh conditions. That's why engineers are turning to a nuclear heart, a compact, powerful reactor designed to provide steady, reliable energy no matter how long the night lasts. China and Russia have announced bold plans to build the first-ever nuclear power plant on the moon. This ambitious project will make continuous, robust energy possible, supporting not just survival, but real progress and expansion. With this reactor, lunar bases will have the power to run life support systems, scientific experiments, and even large-scale construction projects. It's a crucial step toward building a true lunar city that can thrive in the moon's extreme environment. The entire plant will be assembled autonomously by advanced robots, showcasing the latest breakthroughs in engineering and artificial intelligence. These machines will work tirelessly in the harsh lunar environment, piecing together the facility with precision. If successful, this will mark the first time a nuclear reactor operates on another world, a historic milestone for humanity's presence in space, and a testament to international cooperation and technological ambition. With abundant power, the moon will become a hub for mining valuable resources, 3D printing essential tools and structures, and supporting a growing community of scientists and engineers. The possibilities for research and industry are nearly limitless. Reliable, round-the-clock energy is the key to transforming the International Lunar Research Station from a remote outpost into a vibrant, self-sustaining settlement, one that could eventually support hundreds or even thousands of people. This nuclear plan signals China's determination to lead the next era of space exploration, overcoming every obstacle in pursuit of a permanent human presence beyond Earth. The moon's future will be powered by innovation, international collaboration, and by the steady, enduring energy of nuclear technology. China's path to a lunar base is a series of calculated steps, each building on the last. In 2024, Chang'e 6 made history with the first far-side sample return. Next up, Chang'e 8, launching in 2028, will test 3D printing with lunar soil and pioneer construction tech. By 2030, China aims to land taikonauts on the moon, joining the exclusive club of lunar explorers. These first crews will lay the groundwork for long-term stays and base construction. Between 2030 and 2035, a flurry of heavy-lift launches will deliver habitats, labs, and power systems. Each mission transforms the South Pole from barren wilderness to bustling construction site. Every step brings China closer to its 2035 goal, a permanent operational lunar city. The vision is becoming reality, one mission at a time. China knows building a lunar city is a global challenge, so it's inviting the world to join. The ILRS is open to all nations, pooling resources and expertise for a shared future in space. Russia is the main partner, but over a dozen countries, including Pakistan, Venezuela, and South Africa, are on board. China's 555 project aims to involve 50 countries, 500 institutions, and 5,000 researchers worldwide. This is scientific diplomacy in action, building goodwill and a sense of shared ownership. International partnership spreads the cost, multiplies the brainpower, and boosts the project's legitimacy. The ILRS is becoming a lunar station for the world, not just for China. As more nations join, the moon becomes a symbol of global cooperation. The future of space is inclusive, and China is leading the way. The new space race is on, China's ILRS versus the US-led Artemis program. Artemis, backed by NASA and global partners, aims to land astronauts and build a lunar base, but faces delays. China, meanwhile, advances steadily, ticking off milestones and building momentum. This rivalry is about more than technology. It's a contest of political systems and international alliances. The competition is driving innovation, investment, and inspiring a new generation on both sides. The race to the South Pole is forcing breakthroughs in science and engineering. Ultimately, the winner isn't just one nation. The whole world benefits from the knowledge and technology gained. The moon is the prize, but humanity is the real winner. The moon is more than a scientific outpost. It's a treasure trove of resources. Water ice is the most critical, but the lunar surface also holds metals like iron, aluminum, and titanium. Rare earth elements vital for electronics could be mined locally, fueling a new space economy. The biggest prize? Helium-3, a potential fuel for future fusion reactors and clean energy. The legal status of lunar mining is murky, sparking a race to establish the first operations. Whoever unlocks these resources will shape the rules and reap the rewards of the space economy. The quest for lunar riches is as much about geopolitics as science. The moon's resources could power industries on Earth and launch humanity deeper into space. The ILRS is just the beginning. China's vision stretches far beyond 2035. By 2050, the plan is for a network of lunar outposts, advanced rovers, and high-speed links to Earth. The moon will become a true extension of human civilization, a base for science, industry, and exploration. Experience gained here will pave the way for crewed missions to Mars and beyond. Lunar resources, especially water, could make interplanetary travel practical and affordable. China's ambitions are about securing a future where humanity is not confined to Earth. The journey to 2035 and beyond is a testament to our drive to explore and dream. The future is being written in the stars, and China is holding the pen.